Hey guys, welcome to iTOVi Thursday. My name's Casey Morgan and I have the lovely Brooklyn Lee here with me. We are doing a little sip and scan party and we wanted to show you a good way for you guys to get some friends and families together maybe after Thanksgiving, probably after you've been on your feet all day cooking, cleaning, shopping. This would be a really great way for you guys to relax, but still spend some time together and get to talk about some oils. So the big tip that I have for you guys today is how to group your clients. Will be really important for you as you do a sip and scan so that all of your people are already in a group together. So it makes things really easy for you to follow up, and it makes the party run a little bit more smoothly when you're doing scans. So let me show you how you can do that and kind of a little bit more about what I mean. So what you're gonna do is open up your iTOVi app, come up here, click on this little pink circle, click client groups, then you're gonna wanna click the addition button, and then here is where I can add all of my friends and family. If you don't have their information already put in, you can either add them or you can wait for them to come. Either way is a great way to do it. I'm gonna add all of my clients into my group. Then I'm gonna name my group. You can name this like foot scrub, which is what we're gonna be making today, or spa night, or however you wanna group it. Then save it, and you are ready to start scanning. So we're gonna have Brooklyn scan for us, so make sure that's on. All right, there we go. And we're gonna start your scan.
Awesome. So when you're doing your foot scrubs, you can always do the oils, the top oil that shows up. You can do the top 2 oils that show up, or you can do your top oil and mix it with another oil that's really good for your feet in general. So I've got my little cheat sheet right here. We have a couple of different oils that are really good for your feet. The first one is peppermint. It's really good. It has calming and cooling sensations. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, and that's what we put in our water while we were waiting and getting our scan done. You can also use eucalyptus, which has really similar properties to peppermint, but it also helps relieve stress and tension and kind of calm yourself down, because Thanksgiving weekend is wonderful, but it can be a really busy one. Another great one is rosemary. It's good for muscle and joint pain, as well as increasing circulation in your feet.
That'll be good if it's cold.
Oh yes, it is getting to that time of year. It is freezing outside. Rose geranium is great for healing any kind of like cuts or blisters you might get from walking around doing all your Black Friday shopping. And then lavender, of course, is just good all around for everything. It's got anti-inflammatory properties, stress relieving, muscle and joint pain relief, all that sort of stuff. So it looks like my scan is done.
Cool, I'll take that. And it looks like your top oil was bergamot. She also got lavender, so maybe we want to put that in our foot scrub. Okay guys, once everybody is all done doing their scans, now we can go make your personalized foot scrubs. Okay, let's go meet in the kitchen. Ready?
Hi, and we're back here in our iTOVi kitchen, and we're going to be making the sugar scrub for your feet. It's really simple, easy to make. There's actually only 3 ingredients. So we're going to be using our sugar, a carrier oil, which we're using coconut oil today, and then our 2 essential oils. So I have my bergamot right here and my lavender right here. And as you guys saw, bergamot and lavender were actually my top 2. And you can definitely use all the oils on your scan. And you can also, if you wanted, mix those with some of the oils that we mentioned earlier that are good for your feet. So we're gonna go ahead and mix them together now.
So we'll just do equal parts of your carrier oil and your sugar. And then add a couple drops of your essential oils. Okay, so we'll put that to the side and it's all done. And if you guys want to be able to take this home as like a make and take, you can do something really simple with just a Ziploc baggie, or you can do a mason jar, or any sort of little way to take that home for your friends and family.
Yep. So now that that's all made, there's a couple other things I wanted to mention to you guys. First off, we have some really awesome training videos that we released on our website. So it's on iTOVi.com/training, and it covers a lot of topics that people have been asking us about. There's videos on how to connect your iTOVi, on how to group clients like we talked about earlier in the video, how to read your report, all of that sort of stuff. So if you ever have any questions, feel free. Besides, you're always welcome to contact our customer support. But you can also check out those training videos on our iTOVi website so that you can get the most out of your iTOVi scanner.
And I also wanted to mention something really fun that we just launched, are our lanyards. So these are some of my favorites. This one is actually my personal iTOVi, and I just love this polka dot one. I think it's so cute with my polka dot scanner. But we've got this one that I think is a really fun and vibrant one. We've got our Starry Starry Night that has been probably our most popular skin, so you can get a matching lanyard with that, and a ton of other ones. So definitely check out our accessory store, and we're doing a big giveaway on our Facebook and Instagram right now. So if you want to be able to win some of these, they make great stocking stuffers, great just like gifts for your team or friends and family that love their iTOVi. So definitely check those out, and check out our giveaway that we're doing, and the winner will be picked on Friday. So check it out, and thanks for watching. And if there's anything that you guys want to see in the future, let us know. And happy Thanksgiving, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.